Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 70, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to 70. Now, take note of this, that if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 70. And from here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. And this implies that this is greater than this. We need to look for the product of 70. 70 is a product of 1 multiplied by 70, then 70 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 35, then 35 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 14, 14 multiplied by 5, then 7 multiplied by 10, and 10 multiplied by 7. But s plus y is greater than s minus y. Here, 1 is less than 70. This is cancelled out. 70 is greater than 1. This is accepted. Here, 35, 2 is less than 35. This is cancelled out. 35 is greater than 2. This is accepted. Here, 5 is less than 14. This is cancelled out. 14 is greater than 5. This is accepted. And here, 7 is less than 10. This is cancelled out. 10 is greater than 7. This is accepted. So we have how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, our equation becomes, the first case is s plus y multiplied by s minus y. This is equal to 70 multiplied by 1. Then the second one is s plus y, this bracket, s minus y is equal to, here is 35 multiplied by 2. Then the third case is s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 14 multiplied by 5. And the fourth case is s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 7. Now, let's start from this first case. From the first case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 70 multiplied by 1. Then s plus y is equal to 70. This is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. This is simultaneous equation. Let's solve this using elimination method by adding the two equations together. S plus s, this is 2x plus y minus y. This will cancel this. Is equal to 70 plus 1. We have 71. Now let's divide both sides of the equation by 2. This divided by 2. This is divided by 2. Therefore, s is equal to 71 over 2. This is the value of x. Then, as you can see now, this is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now we've gotten the value of s. Let's solve for y from equation 2. From equation 2, s minus y is equal to 1. Then when s is 71 over 2, we have 71 over 2 minus y is equal to 1. Let's multiply all through by 2. Then this becomes 71 minus 2y is equal to 2. Minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 71. Minus 2y is equal to minus 69. Y is equal to 69 over 2. And this is not a natural number as well. It is rejected. Now let's consider the second case. From second case, x plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 35 multiplied by 2. Now s plus y is equal to 35. S minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Let's solve this using the elimination method by adding the two equations together. This is 2s. This one we cancel this is equal to 35 plus 2, 37. Now let's divide all through by 2. This divided by 2. This divided by 2. This we cancel this. S is equal to 37 over 2. And of course, this is not a natural number. It is also rejected. To solve for y, from equation 2 again, s minus y is equal to 2. When s is 37 over 2, we have 37 over 2 minus y is equal to 2. Then let's multiply all through by 2. We have 37 minus 2y is equal to 4. And we have minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 37. Minus 2y is equal to minus 33. Y is equal to 33 over 2. This is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now let's consider the third case. From the third case, s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 14 multiplied by 5. Then s plus y is equal to 14. S minus y is equal to 5. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Let's solve this using elimination method. S plus s, this is 2s. This will cancel this, is equal to 14 plus 5, that is 19. Then if you divide both sides by 2. S is equal to 19 over 2. This is not a natural number. It is also rejected. Then to solve for y, let's use equation 2. S minus y is equal to 5. Then 19 over 2 minus y is equal to 5. 19 minus 2y is equal to 10. Minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 19. Minus 2y is equal to minus 9. Then y is equal to 9 over 2. This is not a natural number. It is rejected as well. Now let's consider the fourth case. From the fourth case, we have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 7. S plus y is equal to 10. Equation 1. S plus y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 7. This is equation 2. Then here is 2s. This will cancel this. Is equal to 17. Let's divide both sides by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 17 over 2. This is not a natural number. It is rejected. Now let's solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 2, s minus y is equal to 7. 17 over 2 minus y is equal to 7. 17 minus 2y is equal to 14. Minus 2y is equal to 14 minus 17. Minus 2y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 3 over 2. This is not a natural number. It is rejected. Then you can see that from all the solutions, they are non-natural numbers. So we don't have any natural numbers from all our solutions. We conclude that there is no solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.